Okay, I bought this solar fountain, and it says on there to pull the plastic off. I don't see no plastic on it, so I can tell. It has one that's on there very good. It don't give you a pull point. No, it don't have no plastic. I can feel it's not no plastic. Okay. Let me unplug this so that we run the pump. This suction cups. I'll have a link in my description about a few of these you can buy. They got them all different wattage. This is 3.5. They got them from 1.5 to over 5 watts. And this one here is, I think it's 180 liter per hour. It pumps. So what I'm going to do now, I got this soldering iron. I'm going to heat it up. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to punch holes in the bottom of this and all the way around so water can drain down. But you don't want water filling up the top here and then overflowing. So let me heat this up and I'll be right back. While this heating iron is heating up, this I had for a while. I bought it at Dollar Tree. They're cheap, and you don't want to punch holes in these or drill holes through these because they actually crack on you. I learned that the hard way. The rock I got from the yard. This I either bought from Lowe's or Home Depot. You put a plant container in it, and when you bring it inside, you water it. The water stays inside here. It doesn't leak over the floor. So I forgot how much this costs. This here, it was $1 when I bought it, and now it'll be $1.25. I think this was about $3, something like that. But it's going to work perfect. I used it for my house plants inside when I water them during the winter. Now let me see if this is hot enough now. Yeah. And then let me punch holes in these higher part here because it'll be lower than there. Punch a few holes in it. After this, I cannot use it for my houseplants no more. I had to buy some more. Not for sure how many hose I need. This middle one I need larger. With this pump here, I didn't get a hose with it. And I was going to buy a hose, but I had some hoses laying around the house. Okay, let's see. These are ventilating hose. My sister passed away, has COPD. And when she passed away, I called the company to return these. They said they don't take them back. So we figured we'll just use them for projects. And let's see, what I need here for is, want the hose long enough. Because it's going to go on here. Pretty tight. I'll just stretch this out a little bit, heat it up. I see you got a smaller piece inside there. We'll fix that. See what I can do here. Now what I'm going to do here, let me untie this pump here. This is hard. Put this inside of here. Yeah, it should work. And see, this thing here has a rib on it. I can run the card straight up here, out here. So now what I want to do is cut this tube here to the right height. I may want it. Let me go. A little bit higher. Okay. Make sure it just fits through that center hole. Yeah, perfect. And I really don't need to cut it a notch in this thing here. The rock's gonna hold this down. And it's pretty flat there, so I'm gonna keep it that way there. I was gonna cut a notch with it, with this thing here. Okay, let me turn this iron off. Healthy thing just laying around, plugged in. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do, get one of these things out. I'm not sure which one I want to use yet. They got all kinds of spray heads here. You can change it whatever you want. Let me try this one here. Oh, gotta go on this first. This thing goes on here and it twists to lock in place. And you put this on this other piece. There you go. Hope you can see that. And it goes on like that. So, I'm going to take this outside before I finish it. Okay, I'll pour some water in here. Well, guess what? That bucket's cracked. That pot. Gotta find me another one. Okay, the other flower pot was cracked halfway down. So I found another one. I'm gonna use this one here. It came from the Dollar Tree also. And I tested it out this time. I should have tested the other one out before I started the video, but I'm not going to do it over. Anyway, I'm adding some water to it. I'll play all my videos, no matter if it's goose or not. Let you people, let everybody know, you know what, check before you do it. And okay, that'll work. I got water in the bottom of this. Now I'm gonna put gravel in it, rocks. It's not pea gravel. They call it gravel, I call it rocks. And that big rock in the middle at the bottom is gonna keep it from caving in. And these rocks will make a nice place so the birds can stand on while they bathe the water. Yeah, faster way of pouring that, but I'll get there. Yeah, that hole's a little bit too long, I think. It'll be okay. Put some more rocks in it. Okay, I put more water in it. Forgot to turn my phone on. Yeah. We're gonna just hang this in the sun. It's not a whole lot of sun on the porch. So we got this little bicycle thing the hummingbird likes to sit on. We'll just put this out here. And not much sun right there. Put it right here. There you go. So I'm gonna put this right here on this banister. Right now I'm gonna just set it up here. And it's skirting on the porch. I might have to change that. Well, see, I use a smaller diameter hose, and that put more pressure through it. So I'm gonna have to think about getting a larger hose. Okay, I'm gonna cut this off here. In order to cut it off, you unplug it, or just move that thing in the shade. Snip this hose more. Okay. Let me try this one here. Now we plug it in. Oh. Anyway, we got hummingbirds flying through this front porch here, because we got 2 hummingbird feeders over there. You can see the second one there. But anyway, they buzz through here. We had this phony plant there for a while. Change the flowers every season. And this might make a different thing here. But you have to play around with it and see what you like. Try to make sure it doesn't go out of the pot if possible, so it can keep the water. The birds can get in here, take a bath, cool off during the hot weather. So we'll see how that works. I'll do an update on it. I might remodify it too, who knows. I'm gonna make another one, a different one. Anytime water gets low, you just throw the water inside of here. I want to try to make sure this stays in. Well, I hope you like what I got here. I know a lot of people have been making stuff like these. I figured this is a different one. Not too bad. I kind of like it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you like. And I'll try more stuff on here. Okay, we was losing water outside of the pot here. So what I did, I tried this one here. It had 5 holes in it. That was shooting too much. So I figured I'd go with this single nozzle there. That seemed to be doing pretty good without losing a lot of water. It's like one tall water skirting up, but anyway, that's the best I can come with that. The others, you need a wider opening, I believe. And once the sun started dying down, the water pressure go down. But it was working on solar. And for right now, I have it sitting right here because this is where the sun's shining. I may have to move it during the day. I was going to put it on this little bicycle here, ornament. Hummingbird loves that. They usually sit on that, but wasn't getting enough sun there. You can see it has some shade there. So that's the one I'm going to work with right now. Well, I decided to take those nozzles off the thing because it was splashing beyond the bowl and getting everything wet around it. So I figured I just had the tube running straight out. I think it's because the diameter of the tube is smaller, so it's pushing up more pressure, and I'll probably get a bigger hose, or maybe put some kind of knick-knack with a hose through it, and that way I have a little statue there and water going from it. Maybe that's what I might do. I'll see.